Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome back to the QA Online Academy. I'm Rachel, and I am so excited to dive into episode 5 with you all. You've already mastered selecting and filtering data with the where clause. Now it's time to learn how to organize those results like a professional investigator. Just like this archive, a database needs a solid system to be truly useful. Today, we're mastering the order by statement. This is essential for making your test reports readable and finding edge cases. Sorting allows you to view your data from highest to lowest, or A to Z, giving you a structured overview of your test results. The order by keyword is used to sort the result set in ascending or descending order. By default, SQL sorts records in ascending order. This means alphabetical order for text, or smallest to largest for numbers. It ensures your verification process is structured and no important data point is overlooked. The syntax is very simple. After your from or where clause, add order by followed by the column name. Let's look at a clean example in PyCharm. In this query, we are sorting all customers alphabetically by their country. It's clean, precise, and professional. Notice there are no extra characters, just the exact syntax needed for the job. But what if you want the opposite? To sort in descending order, like showing the most expensive products first, you simply add the desk keyword at the end. This is a powerful way to quickly identify top-tier data points or outliers without scrolling through thousands of rows during your testing. It helps you verify pricing logic in the backend with just one glance. Here, we're telling the database to order our products by price, from highest to lowest. The desk keyword after the column name tells the database exactly what to do, accurate and efficient. Now it's time for you to get hands-on. Open PyCharm on your computer and imagine our products table with name and price. Write a query to retrieve those columns and sort them alphabetically by name. Think about the default sort order. I'll give you 10 seconds to solve it right now. Ready? Go. Time's up. Did you remember the order by keyword? Since we wanted alphabetical order, you could even leave out the ASC keyword as it's the default. Let's check the perfectly clean solution together on the screen. The correct code is select name, price from products, order by name, followed by a semicolon. This returns exactly what we asked for. Perfectly organized without any clutter. Great work. Excellent work today. Don't stop here. Go back to previous chapters if you need a refresher and practice sorting different columns at home. In our next lesson, we'll explore how to handle null values. Please join our website at qaonlineacademy.com and subscribe to our YouTube and TikTok channels to stay updated. Leave your feedback below. We love hearing from you. Happy testing!